How to upgrade to Windows 11 from Windows 10. To upgrade to Windows 11 from Windows 10, try 1. Review all requirements for Windows 11. 2. Join the Windows Insider program at https://insider.windows.com/n-us. Using an active Microsoft or Outlook account. 3. Use that Windows Insider ID to log in your existing Windows 10 system, settings account, sign with a Microsoft account instead. 3. Access update and security and enter Windows Insider program. To start the Windows 11 upgrade process using the Dev Channel option. 4. Run Windows Update and wait until the automatic update, Windows 11 Insider Preview Build 22000.51, is done. Note, you have 10 days to downgrade Windows 11 to your old Windows 10, if you don't like your newly upgraded Windows 11.